QNT at the time of this recording continues to see a bit of a short-term pullback after an aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that peaked above the $108.8. And at the time of this recording, we continue to hold above the 20-day MA, that is above our key area of support above the $90, which is now acting as support for us to continue pushing higher. The 20-day MA on the 4-hour chart is acting as resistance, and on today's video I will be discussing the most significant key areas of supports that we need to continue holding above, and above all discuss an Elliot wave structure that is playing out on this chart. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 4th of November. We first peaked to the upside in a 5-wave structure in a move that peaked above the $108.8, and after we peaked in that 5-wave structure to the upside, we completed an even larger Elliot wave count 1, and having seen the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 1, I have been expecting a bit of a short-term corrective structure in an Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas can be given using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618, and that is between the 87.9 and the 75.1 USDT, the area that I have marked here on the charts using this retarget area. So my most ideal situation is that we need to see one more new low here on the QNT chart into this retarget area, and that movement should also play out in this ABC corrective structure, where you can see that we have a wave A, then a wave B bounce over here, and we should expect one more new low in a wave C, fully maximizing the target area, give us a low for the second wave before we can finally bounce to the upside impulsively in an Elliot wave count 3. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the QNT chart on the short term. This is the area to watch out for in case of any further pullbacks in the next coming hours. But on the long term, I still maintain bullish because I'm expecting just a corrective structure in a wave 2 before we can finally bounce impulsively once again in an Elliot wave count 3 that should get us back above the $120 in the next coming days. So that is the price action that I'm expecting on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out. And I will be keeping you up to date.